out. So let's do this exercise. Close your feet and turn out. So not too much, not too little. Just here, 45 degree. Now from here, close your feet, ankles together, toes apart. Yeah, change weight to left leg. Thank you. And now from here, already we're gonna work on our posture. We lift slightly, elevate our rib cage slightly. And now put your arms here like a corset. Yeah, and in this position, as we change body weight, we're gonna brush our inner thighs as our feet stay connected. So we'll do this for 8 count. And 1, and 2, with this sound, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Now stop on your right leg. Now from here, we're gonna experience standing leg rotation. So keep your feet tight, inner thighs connected. Now start taking that leg around yourself, but same time keep your hands maybe in front of you. Yeah, keep your hands in front, so as you rotate, you don't take your hands with you. So it's a counter rotation. The lower body turn one way, upper body turning opposite way. Do me a little bit this way. Right. You wanna try? Yes. So we're experiencing rotation. Now change, and now we rotate. Now stop right here. Now make sure your 2 elbows have equal distance, beautiful distance. So this part of your body we call shoulder line, which should never change. Now below that line, your chest, you want to change. You want to have strong chest lead. That's what we call diagonal. So start taking this hip more back and that rib cage more forward, but same time keep it here. Right. It's going to be in every step, in every Latin dance. Very good. So now we also learning diagonal in the body. So transfer, and 2. We're doing a rhythm of rumba, and 3, and 4, 1. Now from here, do this like a pulsing sensations, pulsing rotations to reach your maximum. Now we're going to talk about body parts. So you have a rib cage, you have a hip. You always want to have that beautiful diagonal. So you open diagonal, and as you change this diagonal, closing and opening on the other way. Yeah, let's do rumba rhythm. And 2, and 3, and 4, 1. 4, 1. So we stay here. Now still, body actions very important, but most important is brushing and stay tight in your legs, because that's create a beauty. And 2, and 3, and 4, 1. A little bit tighter you can do. Go, go. And 2, and keep going. 3, excellent. And 4, 1, go. And 2, squeeze my hand, go. And squeeze my hand. And yes, 3, squeeze my hand. 4, that's better. And keep going. 2, squeeze my hand between my knees. Yes, this is it. This is it. Very good. That was it. Now, we're going to take that the same experience as we in place,